Right, do you not have much guitar talent? Doesn't matter, because the Oasis Cigarettes and Alcohol solo is really easy. So you're here on the 14th, you're bending the 14th, and then you just play the 12th and the 12th again. So you go like, then you go 14th, 12th, 14th. You bend the 12th, then you go from 12th, 14th, 12th. So. And then you slide in 12th, play the open E, slide into your 11th, and then play the open E, so. That's kind of it. I mean, a little bit simplified, but that's all you need, folks.